I'm very happy that in the last weeks the debate among the leaders, European leaders, on how quick the accession or in which form the accession of Ukraine could happen is very alive. Technically, we still are using the methodology which we have used, let's say, 40 years back when Spain and Portugal entered the EU. But what we see today is some clear messages from the member states. The first is it should stay the merit-based principle. And I think that this is okay. We cannot afford to bring in a country which is not really ready. Why? Because it could then weaken us, and we have to get stronger once we get a new member state. The second part is that, and this is positive development, that we could see more into the possibilities of the enhanced gradual integration. Meaning, for the Ukraine to become a member of the EU, all the requirements will have to be implemented. But if Ukraine, on the way of these reforms and the indexation process, is already fulfilling requirements or could be a part of the special policy, this could happen. We have, for instance, good experiences with third countries like Switzerland, Norway, Iceland, who are a part of Schengen and can be part of the Council debate. They can participate, but they cannot make the decision. So there are many ideas how we could do this, and I think that this is okay. Why also? We should deliver the results in the accession process also for the citizens. We have a very negative, bad experience from the Western Balkans. Like North Macedonia is a candidate country since 2005. If Ukraine would wait to get a candidate status, starting the negotiations like North Macedonia is waiting, we would start negotiating with Ukraine in 2045. So it is impossible. Meaning we have to deliver before countries becoming a member of the EU, and enhanced gradual integration is a good part. And at the end, you know, I love to say that enlargement is also, or the question of methodology is a Chefsache in German, so it is a matter of the bosses. So I expect that the leaders of the European Union will step up and tell also how do they want to see this enhanced or accelerated accession process.